Rekomenda ng Quad Committee ng Kamara na nag-iimbestiga sa pogo at extrajudicial killings ang paghahay ng reklamo kaugnay sa crimes against humanity laban kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Dawit din sa asunto sila Senador Bato de la Rosa, Senador Bongo, dalawang dating hepe ng PNP at iba pang personalidad.
Number 2, perpetrators of crimes against humanity under Section 6 of Republic Act 9851 or the Philippine Act on Crimes Against International Humanitarian Law, Genocide and Other Crimes Against Humanity. Former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, Senator Roland Bato de la Rosa, Senator Christopher Lawrence Bongo, former PNP Chief Oscar David Albayalde, former PNP Chief Debold Sinas, Police Colonel Royina Garma, Police Colonel Edilberto Leonardo and